An increasing amount of calls we receive are for court-ordered hair testing. Hair testing is unique since it has a longer look-back period, going back up to 90 days. For hair testing, head hair must be a minimum of 1.5 inches long in order for testing to be completed successfully. Although we do have a specialty laboratory that can provide a look-back period of up to 6 months for hair that's 3 inches in length or longer. Sometimes called a hair follicle test, the drug test does not actually test the hair follicle. Rather, the hair is simply cut as close to the scalp as possible. It's also very difficult to cheat a hair test, as every hair collection is observed. There are products on the market that claim to wash drug substances out of the hair, but we've not seen any evidence that they actually work. The lab is actually screening for metabolites of the drugs embedded in the shaft of the hair that get there through the hair follicle. It's just not possible to wash out these drug metabolites with shampoos or other chemicals. And besides head hair, body hair can also be tested. Body hair is typically taken from the underarms, legs, or arms. For a body hair collection, the amount of hair needed for a successful test should be about the size of a large cotton ball or larger, taken from a single area of the body. Body hair is often known for showing a more broad time frame than head hair. The approximate time period cannot be specifically identified due to highly variable growth rates. Our labs typically state that the look-back period of drug use is up to 90 days with a body hair test, but some labs go back up to 6 months with body hair. Hair testing facilities are available in all areas of the United States. Our representatives can set you up with a convenient hair testing location with just one simple phone call. You can also order a hair drug test online through our website. It's best if you have head hair, but body hair can be used as well if needed. Once your hair is collected, it takes approximately 5 business days for you to receive your drug test results. The results are reviewed by a medical review officer to take into account any prescribed medications you may be taking. The most basic hair test is called a 5-panel hair test. It includes cocaine, marijuana, opiates, which include codeine, morphine, and the heroin metabolite, amphetamines, which includes methamphetamine and ecstasy, and phencyclidine, or PCP. Another common option for hair testing is the 5-panel with expanded opiates. This panel adds commonly abused semi-synthetic opioids, including oxycodone, oxymorphone, hydrocodone, and hydromorphone. The 7-panel hair drug test includes barbiturates, benzodiazepines, cocaine, marijuana, amphetamines, phencyclidine or PCP, and opiates, to include codeine, morphine, and heroin, hydrocodone, hydromorphone, oxycodone, and oxymorphone. Common hair test panels go all the way up to a 14-panel hair test, which gives the option to include substances like methadone, propoxyphene, tramadol, fentanyl and sufentanil, and meperidine. ETG alcohol or ethyl glucuronide can also be detected with a hair test. Many court-ordered hair drug tests are ordered for ETG. This test can detect alcohol use up to 90 days prior. This ETG test does not measure current alcohol impairment. The ETG test with hair is common for zero-tolerance abstinence programs, DUI programs, and court-ordered programs. ETG testing with hair or urine can be ordered over the phone at convenient testing locations in all areas of the United States. You can also order the ETG hair test online through our secure website. Anonymous hair testing is also available for those that require this level of discretion. This is commonly where a parent takes some hair from their child's hairbrush to have it tested for drugs of abuse. You can review all these details and a whole lot more about court-ordered hair testing on our website and through our blog at www.nationaldrugscreening.com.